Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Instinct Esports Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, we need to open the menu by pressing and holding the menu button. Then we need to scroll down by pressing ABC button right here. Select the settings and press the GPS button to enter. Here we need to scroll up by pressing the menu button, select the system and press the GPS button. Now scroll down by pressing ABC button, select option called HUD Keys and press GPS. And here we need to find the HUD key we want to use for screenshots. For example, let's scroll down and select back button and a light button. Select it and press GPS button to enter. And here we can assign the function for this combination of buttons. And I'm gonna find the screenshot option right here and press the GPS button to confirm. And now, as you can see, by pressing the back button and light button, basically this button and this button together, we will take the screenshot on our device. So let's go back to home screen, for example, the watch face, like this. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the back button and control, or rather light button, these two. So let's press and hold them. As you can see, we have the message screenshot taken. That means that we took a screenshot, and we can wait until it disappears or press the back button to get rid of it. We can also open, for example, menu and take a screenshot here. Oh, my bad. We need to press and hold, not press, because if you press, then you're just gonna go back. So let's open menu again, press and hold, like that. And now you can go back by pressing back, like that. And to access your screenshots, you need to plug in your watch to your computer by using the USB cable. And there you will have screenshot folder, I believe. And you can check your screenshots right there. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.